When Porsche unveiled their new model at the 1963 Frankfurt Motor Show, few could have predicted the huge impact it would have on motoring in the decades to come. Its name, the 911. Fast forward to 1972, and we have this. The Porsche 911T Ölklappe. See that small, subtle flap located on the right rear fender? That's the Ölklappe, German for oil flap. It's a rare, single-year design feature unique to this model. Its purpose was to improve weight distribution by moving the oil tank. It's an engineering quirk, a conversation piece, and a testament to Porsche's relentless experimentation. A gentle twist of the key and the 2.4-liter engine breathes into life with that unmistakable flat six growl. This 911T began life in Manhattan with fashion designer Michael Millet. In 1974, it moved through Brooklyn, quietly aging as the decades passed. Rediscovered at auction in 1999, it crossed America, from Connecticut to San Francisco, before embarking on a global journey in 2013, traveling to Bahrain and later brought to the UK. In 2024, it was reborn once more with a major restoration, replacing the floor plan, suspension, and brakes. Then in September 2025, it reached its current custodian, carrying with it over 5 decades of history, craftsmanship, and passion. The car feels perfectly balanced, light on its feet, inviting you to settle into a rhythm that feels almost timeless. There is no other sports car that has evolved over 60 years and yet has kept the essence of its original design, quite like the 911. For its time, the 140 brake horsepower, output, and curb weight of 1,050 kilograms is more than enough. Not to rush, but to savor. To feel every mechanical pulse, every subtle vibration, every moment of harmony between driver and machine. Out here, the world quiets, and in this rare, single-year 911, you find a piece you didn't know you were missing. Driving becomes therapy, and you become at one with the road. The Porsche 911T Ölklappe. Pure driving joy.